This compact walk-in greenhouse from Gardzen provides enough height and width for comfortable standing access and multi-tier shelving, making it surprisingly roomy for a small footprint. The powder-coated steel frame feels solid and stable, giving confidence that it can handle breezy conditions better than many lightweight pop-up models. Its clear polyvinyl chloride cover lets in plenty of light while helping to trap warmth, so seedlings and tender plants get a more consistent growing environment. The zippered front opening makes it easy to step inside, and you can leave it partially open to fine-tune airflow and prevent heat buildup on sunny days. Because it is relatively light and does not require a permanent foundation, you can assemble it quickly and move it between a patio, yard, or side garden as the seasons change. Overall, it is a practical choice for gardeners who want to extend their growing season and protect plants from cold, rain, and curious animals without committing to a full-scale greenhouse.